What if I told you that by disappearing for the next 90 days, you could achieve more than most people do in a decade? I'm not talking about moving to a cave in the Himalayas or joining an ashram. I'm talking about a radical, intentional vanishing act where you delete Instagram, deactivate Facebook, skip the parties, and stop the aimless hanging out with friends. Most people are terrified of being alone, but extraordinary success requires the privacy the crowd never gets to see. Today's youth is paralyzed by super confusion, torn between family pressure for a job, peer pressure for a startup, and the fake glitter of social media influencers. But if you want to be financially free and escape the 9-to-5 grind, you don't need more connections, you need brutal focus. The secret of the greats. Think about Thomas Edison. When asked how he invented so much, he didn't credit his network. He credited staying alone for days, months, and years without distractions. If Edison had been surrounded by demotivating relatives or social media notifications, he might have just taken a safe job and never invented the light bulb. Henry Ford did the same. While the world called him crazy, he locked himself in a workshop working day and night. He claimed that in that silence, the entire universe helped him find solutions that disappeared the moment he stepped back into the noise of the world. To get results like the top 1%, you must stop doing what the 99% do. You must disappear. Step 1. The power of a single goal. The first goal of your 90-day isolation is extreme clarity. Most people stay average because they try to do 10 things at once, investing in stocks, running a YouTube channel, and trying digital marketing all at the same time. They are experts in nothing. You need to pick one specific goal. Write it down and read it 3 times a day, once when you wake up, once at noon, and once before you sleep. As you read it, visualize it. Imagine the goal is already achieved. This isn't just positive thinking, it's a way to program your subconscious mind, but it only works if you are consistent for at least 90 days. Research shows it takes 30 days to struggle, another 30 to adapt, and the final 30 to make it your nature. Step 2. Specialized knowledge, the Rockefeller method. During these 90 days, you must become a walking encyclopedia of your craft. Look at John D. Rockefeller, the world's first billionaire. He didn't waste time on general knowledge. He focused solely on the oil industry, how to find it, refine it, and distribute it. Spend 4 to 6 hours every single day acquiring specialized knowledge. Read the books, take the courses, and practice the skills directly related to your goal. Remember, knowledge is not power unless it is implemented immediately. If you want to build an online business, dive deep into SEO, sales funnels, and customer psychology until you are an expert. Step 3. The discipline of completion. The biggest enemy of success isn't a lack of motivation, it's a lack of discipline. Many people start things, but almost no one finishes them. Here is your rule for the next 90 days. Never leave a task half-finished. Before you sleep each night, list 3 important tasks for the next day. Not urgent tasks, important ones that move you closer to your goal. Do not move to any other activity until those 3 things are done. This simple habit will transform you from a dreamer into a doer. Step 4. The mastermind with self. Every night, dedicate 1 hour to deep thinking in total silence. No phone, no music, no books. This was the secret of Andrew Carnegie. Ask yourself, what did I do for my goal today? Where did I fail? How can I improve? When you sit with your thoughts, your subconscious mind begins to talk back.
It gives you warnings and ideas that you would never hear in the noise of daily life. The transformation closing. To make this work, you must guard your environment. Stay away from negative people who act as dream killers and limit your social media to no more than 45 minutes a day. Social media is a fake world that creates the illusion that you are falling behind, but it's just a distraction. These 90 days will be hard. Your mind will give you 1,000 excuses to quit, but if you maintain your momentum, you will become a completely different person. When you emerge from this 90-day exile, the world won't recognize you. Your confidence, your posture, and your results will be transformed. The world is waiting to celebrate your comeback. Your 90 days start today.